Now write a letter of congratulations to your friend Yaul Karim on his being appointed as a director of Bangladesh Bank. 5 by 901 NM Garden Midpur 13 Dhaka. 31 May 2025. My dear Yaul Karim, my best wishes to you. Hope that you are quite well by the grace of Almighty. I am fine. However, I have come to know that you have been appointed to the post of an assistant director at the Bangladesh Bank. Congratulations on your new job. I I am delighted to hear that you have landed the position. This comes as no surprise, of course, to any of us who are acquainted with your work. The authority of the Bangladesh Bank will soon discover how lucky they are to have you. Right soon as I am eagerly forward to hearing from you and give regards to uncle and auntie with best wishes. Yours sincerely, Jahidul Rahim from 2. Jahidul Rahim 5 by 901 NAM Garden, Midpur 13, Dhaka. 2. Jiaul Korim 172 Badid Bustami Route, Nasirabad, Chattogram. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page.